to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, you should quickly do that right about now. Down at the description box, you're going to see links to various videos that I've made reviews on. Alright guys, you've seen it on thumbnail already that we're talking about the Nature's Bounty gummies as requested by my subscriber, and I really appreciate the fact that you suggest videos to me so I can make reviews on. So I've actually heard a lot about this particular gummies, but I don't even know why I did not make a video on it. So thank you for this comment, and of course, yes, here is your review. So not like that whitening gummies I made review on. I'm going to drop links at my description box as usual, so you can check my previous videos. I'm going to make sure that the whitening gummies, probiotic gummies, and the biotin gummies I spoke about already, I'm going to drop their links at the top side, so you can check the description box for that in case if you've not seen those videos. I'm sure the person who recommended I make this video saw the whitening gummies video I made. So this Nature Bounty is actually a good gummy, but like I said, it's more than just a blend. So they have the ordinary one, they have the advanced one. There's one thing that is common amongst all blends is the fact that this particular gummies works for oral beauty because of the concentrates of, should I say concentrate or concentration of biotin. Now for those people who use biotin gummies, you know that if you use biotin gummies, it's for oral beauty. If you use whitening gummies, it's basically for your skin. So it means if you're using a biotin gummy to actually get a goal of skincare, it's going to take so much time than just using a whitening gummy direct. I don't know if you understand, but this gummy is going to help improve your oral beauty. When we talk about oral beauty, we're talking about hair, we're talking about skin, we're talking about nails, and for the fact that it's going to cover up for these three stuffs, then you should know it's going to take a while before it becomes visible. Though most people have confessed that from one pack they started seeing difference. You know, the pack is a bit big. Before I proceed, I want to say this. So there are a lot of fake gummies out here because this is the era of gummies this, gummies that. So probably the reason why you're getting gummies and they're not working for you is because you're getting a fake one. I can tell you categorically because I've gotten whitening gummies that are actually original, and I got whitening gummies that was actually fake. The both of them were actually same price, yes, and I saw it cheaper elsewhere. It was part of my problem, but then I just want to let you know that I cannot differentiate between the original gummies and the fake gummies. I'm just trying to be truthful here. But when I opened the fake gummy and I brought out the one gummy out of all the gummies, I knew that it was not up to standard. The taste was not even the same. It was too sticky. Usually gummies are sticky, but this one was too sticky. There was too much excess. You know, there used to be little powders around the gummies, so it doesn't get too sticky. I know a whole lot of people don't believe that gummies work, but take my word for it. The Nature Bounty gummy is going to work for you, but not just one pack, which means whether you're getting the collagen and biotin, or you're getting just the biotin, or you're getting the advanced, anyone you're getting, just know it's going to take a while, so you need just more than a pack. I would say it all the time. When it comes to supplements, it takes more than a pack, regardless of the supplement you're doing, even if it's skin drinks and whatever. But this Nature's Bounty, as long as you're getting the original one. So another of my subscriber dropped a very important comment on my last gummies video. Yes, I don't know if I mentioned it in that video because I've not gone back to watch the video again. I usually don't have so much time like that, except if my attention is being drawn to something very important that I mentioned in the video. So for those of you who have tasted gummy or you've taken gummies before and they were not really suitable for you, please try and detoxify. Yes, it will be good if you detoxify. Some people might not need to detoxify because I did not detoxify when I tried out gummies and it was okay on me. So just to let you know that gummies work as long as you get the original one, but in case if they're not working for you, the next thing you need to do is detoxify. Once you're done detoxifying, then you can start up your gummies again. Ensure you use more than one pack and then you're good to go. You definitely see results. So if you're somebody who is targeting just your skin, the Nature Bounty's gummy is definitely not for you. But if you're targeting all round beauty when it comes to hair, skin and nails, then the Nature's Bounty gummies are for you. See you in my next video, and don't forget to suggest at the comment section about the next video you want me to make. Bye for now.